How to backup and restore WhatsApp message on Android. Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to backup and restore WhatsApp message on Android. So in order to do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So what here you need to do is, first of all, open the WhatsApp application and log in. So now what you need to do is, on this field, click on the menu bar or the three dot icon from the top right, go to settings, and when you go to settings, you simply want to make sure to click on accounts, or you could just go to the chat section. So when you go to chat, you want to scroll down and click on backup. So you want to toggle the button and make sure to select the account. So click on backup. It's going to take a while in order to complete the backup procedure. And similarly, if you want to restore it, you could come to the same page, and when you are done with the backup, you could just go ahead and click on chat history or go to the restore section on the chat section right on this page. And that is how you could backup as well as restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.